Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will try to learn about Allen Bradley PLC model SLC5/04 CPU. How we can make a latch and unlatch program with the help of RS Logix 500. This is my software RS Logix 500 Pro. First of all, we will check our communication to our RS links. This is simply click it at the communications and you have to be check it here. Your driver is running or not running, and also you have to configure once your PLC is successfully connected with the CPU or not. Simply choose your COM5. If you not understand this COM5 how we can check, so in previous videos already I told, but if you need once again I will explain you how we can check this COM5. First I will show you how to use this one configure. This is our PLC shown and this is your baud rate and parity, and simply only just click at auto configure, and if your PLC is connected this message will be appears auto configuration successful. That means your PLC is connected with your PC. Your RX links software is running properly, and just close it and scroll down. Next procedure, you have to be go in this online section. If you have a program, you can click it here and you can choose from your program. And if you like to take backup from this PLC, simply click it the offline and click it upload. Which program is stored in your PLC, that will be appear after clicking the create new files. As you clicking the create new files, your program will be uploaded to your PC. What's the program in your PC PLC that appears now on this window. So I will delete this all program and I will make new program for you. How we can make latch and unlatch. This Allen Bradley PLC have a little different program because of this other PLCs have different logic, and this Allen Bradley PLC have a little different. So first of all I will click on my this. If you click once, examine if the closed. This is my bit and we have to be give address, and in this bit I will explain you little also for binary. This is how we can choose this internal memory and external memory, and you can see here is cross reference dot input status, and this is input I1 status S2 binary B3. If you click it at this one, I will explain you little how its memory working. This serial starts from B3 colon 0 starts from B3 colon 0 and from 0 to 15. This is internal memory first line. If you use the B3.0 serial, after you can choose 0, 1, 2 up to 15, and next row B3 colon 1 also same up to 15, same like it's running at B3 colon 10 up to 15. For example, I will choose my B3 and this number 1 memory bit B3 colon 0 and 0. So I will write it here B3 colon 0 slash 0. My first memory bit will be entered, and which is shown here also. You can see this is 0 B3 colon 0 first bit and first serial I choose. Secondly, I will choose it latch relay, output latch and output unlatch. In other PLCs have also coming for set and reset systems, and also we can make the system as a latch unlatch with the help of ladder diagram. But in this PLC have a simple, you have to be click this one latch. After it's coming here, after you have to be you have to give the address of output, so you can see it the output address, output which is your cards are connected with the PLC, that will be shown out started from out colon 2.0. This is the first one, and it's go to the last 15. Total means is 16. For example, I will take the first output out 2.0. Here I will write out colon 2 slash 0 means first serial first output. This I will be make it latch. And when you like to unlatch, after you have to be choose another memory, a more memory bit. I will take it, write it here, and I will choose b3 colon 0 slash 1, for example. This is I will take here. Also you like to give comments or something, this is also have, and click it OK. And this one, this is the second bit. First you choose 0, and second you have to choose in this serial b3.0 serial you choose 1, and next you have to be choose unlatch bit, and this is I give the address that same out colon 2 slash 0, because of I like to unlatch that one 2 number serial of the 0 colon first output I like to be unlatch. And this one small program I will download to the PLC, and after we'll check. Simply go to the here offline, and also you can see the download option, or otherwise you can to go to the comms, and also here you can find download and click it the download. He is asking for to save the project which like to file you have to be save, or you like to make it new file, you can write it here. I will take it this one and make it clear, and click it OK, and click yes, and again click yes, and now your program will be downloaded to the PLC. When it's done, if you like to go to the run mode, simply click on yes, and again he asking for do you want to go online, you can click it yes, and your program will be executed online. And simply go to this one and right click and toggle bit, after your out 2.0 will be energized latched, and this memory will be if stopped nothing issue, but your output will be latched, will be continued on hold means. And as you give the signal to the toggle bit b3.0.1, your o.2 slash 0 will be unlatched. Simply go to again toggle bit, after this will be stopped. And if you like to start from PLC physical address, for example this is input is I, so simply you have to be go offline again. Here is go to offline and click it yes, wait for a second, and you can choose it from here. See, this is I1.0, this is your first column up to 15 in this PLC have signals. So I column, here you can choose it this one here I colon 1, for example this is we choosing for 1.0. I colon 0 slash 0, for example, if you choose, this will your first signal output. And here also you can write this I0 colon 1 here, but I don't have no hardware wiring. If I will make hardware wiring, after we can make it energize from this one, latch and unlatch. Also here you can choose another next one. I show you I colon 0 slash 1. This is your second, this is your second bit, and this is your for latching, and this is your for unlatching. And simply go to the com and download to the PLC. He says this is have some error. What's the error? We have to be see, go to the errors. I colon 0, this we have to be check. I colon 1.0, sorry, this is 1.0, we have to be start. I colon simply 1 slash 0, and this is also I colon 1 slash 1. After your address will be okay, and you go to the download, and this will be download. And click it, yes, it will be asking for online. This way also you can use when this one toggle, but your output will be no latch. But if you give the signal at I 1.0, after your will output will be energized. So I don't have, and have another way. This I will show you. Stop the, go to the offline and click it, yes, and simply click it here and click this one, and this you can make it latch here, and this signal you can choose it here. And also this one also you have to be choose that one, and you simply here make, and this will move to here. And now this will working with B3 internal memory or this external inputs you have to be run. Again comes, go to the download, look like writing the data files and click it, yes, and go to online and see. Now your internal memory will be work 12 bit, this will be latch 12 bit again, and this is also you can 12 bit, this will be unlatch 12 bit again, stop. So I hope you understand about how we can make the small program latch and unlatch in the Allen Bradley PLC. Shall will be next lectures. I will show you more features of this PLC. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.